प्यारे बच्चों देखो, monumental architecture during the Mughal period 1526 to 1707 ईयर में देखिए, the Turks were generous patrons of architecture. बोलिए मत, किताब देखिए क्या कहते हैं. the Turks were generous patrons of architecture. They brought with them the arts of Western and Central Asia, Northern Africa and South-Western Europe. The mingling of different styles produced a new architecture called the Indo-Islamic architecture in India. Most of the earlier buildings of Sultanate period lacked correct proportion. The front wall of mosques were disproportionately high. In the later buildings, however, symmetry and harmony exist. Besides, there is a blending of Hindu motifs and Islamic architectural style. Most of the buildings were made of brick and stone, but the monument lacked grace. The Turks used arches and domes on the large scale. In their building, they used calligraphy, ornamental writing to decorate the building. Excerpts from the Quran were engraved on the wall of the building. Beside the usual Hindi motifs, these buildings were made of red and yellow sandstone and marble. The Qutub Minar and Qutub-ul-Islam mosque built by Qutbuddin and Iltutmish are the most magnificent structure in Delhi. Alauddin Khilji built a new capital city near Qutub complex. He also built the Alai Darwaza, his entrance door to the Qutub complex. The Tughlaq architecture is marked by sloping wall. They use very little ornamentation on their building because of the use of grey sandstone. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq built Tughlaqabad and Firoz Shah Tughlaq built Firoz Shah Kotla. The Qutub of Ghiyasuddin, the Dome of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq set a new trend in architecture with its octagonal shape. The tombs of Lodi Sultanate were built inside garden. The Lodi put up their structure on the high platform. They were very fond of planting gardens around this structure. The Lodi garden at Delhi is a fine example. The regional kingdoms were also influenced by the Indo-Islamic style. The Sharqish rulers Jaunpur built beautiful mosques. Ahmad Shah of Gujarat built the city of Ahmedabad. The ruler of Malwa built the place and forts. The Gol Gumbaz of Bijapur, made by Bahmani rulers, is biggest dome in Asia. The Vijayanagar king built a large number of decorated temples. Now, monumental architecture during the Mughal period. Mughals too were great patron of the art and architecture. They built many monuments which combined Hindu and Persian architecture style. The large building of Babur have entirely disappeared. Only 3 mosques, one each at Panipat, Sambhal and Agra, have survived. Humayun built 2 structures, one mosque at Agra, another one at Fatehbad, Hisar in Haryana. Sher Shah Suri built the famous citadel known as Purana Kila at Delhi and the mosque within its wall. He also built his own Muslim at Sasaram, Shahabad in Bihar, and his grandfather's dome at Narnaul. A remarkable level of development of architecture was attained during Akbar's reign. He built 3 huge forts at Agra, Lahore and Allahabad. अकबर ने कहाँ कहाँ किले बनाए देखो, बात नहीं होनी चाहिए, किताब देखिए. His greatest architecture achievement, however, was this new capital at Fatehpur Sikri with its majestic portal known as the Buland Darwaza. Another notable building is his own mausoleum at Sikandra. He also built many shrines बोलते हैं, scattered many tanks and wells, and erected many schools and places of worship. During the Jahangir's reign, 2 important buildings were erected: Akbar's mausoleum at Sikandra and the dome of Atmadullah at Agra, built by Nur Jahan. It is one of the finest domes built in marble and decorated with Petra Dura. And now Shah Jahan, patron of architecture. In case के बारे में देखें, लिखा है मुगल आर्किटेक्चर reached its climax under Shah Jahan. He built many buildings, places, forts, gardens and mosques at Agra, Delhi, Lahore, Kabul, Kashmir, Kandahar, Ajmer, Ahmedabad. It is structure of Shah Jahan as compared to those of Akbar are inferior in grandeur and originality, but they are superior in lavish display and showcase a rich and skillful decoration. The Moti Masjid at Agra is notable as to art and is renowned for its purity and elegance. Other notable building is in Jama Masjid at Agra. The Taj Mahal at Agra is rightly regarded as one of the 7 wonders of the world for its beauty and the magnificence. It is built in white marble and decorated with lace work in marble and other stone and Petra Dwara. The Mausoleum of Jahangir, built by Shah Jahan at Shahadra, is another celebrated work of art. The Peacock Throne is another timeless wonder. It is decorated with the diamonds marbles, rubies and pearls. Nadir Shah took it away with him to Iran in 1739. But now no one knows of its existence. In Aurangzeb, then the style of architecture began to get subdued and deteriorated as state patronage was withdrawn. The only notable structure of this reign are Badshaahi Mosque at Lahore and the Bibi Ka Maqbara at Aurangabad. I will teach you tomorrow garden. Thank you.